Hello everyone. So have you ever thought of using any cloth or any fabric on your phone cover? So today's DIY is that, and this is really simple, really easy to make. You just need few things like one fabric, glue, that's it. And if this is the first time you're in my channel, please do subscribe my channel and hit the ring bell for the notification of new videos I post almost every week. So let's get started. So the first thing you need to do is to take any glue you have, just apply the glue on the phone cover and take the fabric and stick it on the phone cover. So here is a trick you can do, like if you have a fabric of any of your party wear dress, you can simply stick that as well on your phone cover and it will be like a matching phone cover with your dress, so it will look really nice. So our beautiful phone cover is ready and this is looking absolutely amazing. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. That really boosts me to make such videos. And if you're new to our channel, do subscribe my channel and watch my other videos as well. Till then, see you next time. Bye bye.